Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making an oversized vase using Dollar Tree items. Today I'll be using a total of 4 flower pots. I'll first be taking this heat gun that I got from Amazon and I'll be melting the top a little bit, just enough to where it's soft to stick. Next, I'm going to take the bigger flower pot and I'm going to do the same. After that is done, I'm going to take my E6000 and my hot glue and I'm going to apply it on the bottom of the flower pot. And now I'll be attaching both flower pots together. Next, I'll be taking the third flower pot and gluing it to the bottom flower. And now I will be applying the top to the bottom. I also added hot glue around the outside just to make sure that the vase is secure. Next, I'll be adding on my last flower pot and it will be facing upside down. And I'm securing the outside with more hot glue. After that, I let the vase dry and now it is time to decorate. But I'm going to be wrapping it around the entire vase, and I do not have a specific pattern I'm going in as far as like being neat with it. I don't want it to look uniform. I want it to look abstract. So I'm just going with the flow. And also, if you're thinking about doing this project, I would advise you to use Gorilla Glue spray, only because it would be a lot easier to wrap the rope around. But I used hot glue this time. But either way, it's fine. So I'm just going to be going from the top of the vase to the bottom of the vase with the rope. And of course, if you would rather your design be neater, you can just do it a little bit more neater than I'm doing it. After I was done applying the rope, I took this latex caulk that I got from the home and I'm going to be applying it on top of the vase. I honestly would not recommend the latex caulk for this project only, and that's because it was a little bit more watery than I expected it to be. I would definitely recommend the regular caulk if you're going to redo this project. The regular caulk gives way more coverage. So I'm just taking my brush and going around the vase with the caulk, and this is going to help the rope stay in place, and I'm also going to add yarn on top of it when I'm finished. Now I'm adding the yarn on top, and I'm going to just glue the end of the string to the inside of the vase just to keep it in place, and I'm going to start wrapping it around the vase. And this part was pretty easy because the latex already started to dry, so it was sticky and it stayed in place. And you can go around the vase as much as you would want to with the yarn. It depends on how full you want your vase to be. After that was finished, I went over the yarn with more latex just so it could blend in more. Now I'm going to let the vase dry and take it outside and spray paint it silver. And this is how it turned out. And I also made a smaller vase, and I made it the same way I made the taller one, just with one less flower pot. And I actually like how I can still see the flower pot through the ropes. And that is because I used the thinner silicone caulk that I told you guys not to use, but either way, I think it came out beautiful. Thank you all for watching, and please let me know if you like this video, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, glitter babes.